We have now installed everything. Let's power it on. Okay, let's take a look at the status after powering on. Yes, there's a blue light flashing, because it's in the process of connecting to the network. Once it's connected, the blue light will stop flashing. That's how it works. When we turn it off, there's an orange light. If we turn it on, it shows a white light. It's just like that. Now we're going to cover this panel with a lid. This one is gray. We'll first cover it with the gray lid. And then the black lid on top. This is metallic. It's a gold color. It's gold. This is red. Alright, let's take a look. Gray, black, gold, red. This is silver. Let's see which one looks better. This is an 8-button model with a recycling sensor. There's a backlight and an electric reminder. All of these belong to one series. They're all part of the metallic panel series. Below are 4 scene smart switches. Above are 4-button switch light controllers.